Hi there, today, I gonna show you how to show screen button on the Blender. Copy this Python script, then paste on the text editor, then save with extension Python. Follow my step, and everything you need, check the description below. Open the Blender software. By the way, I used Blender 2.79. Go to the File menu. Select User Preferences button. Then, Add-on. Select Install. Now, see your file Python script saved. Press Install.
A few moments later.
Oops, I'm sorry. Let's try again. Press N on the keyboard, scroll down. Then go to the User Preferences, then select Add-on. You should see the list like this, and give a mark on the screencast key. Okay, and then you should see a button like this on the Properties panel. Press Start, then you should icon keyboard and mouse like this. It means you got. Thanks anyway, see you next time.